all customers, it's great to see you once again. I hope that you enjoy your flight back to Bristol. If there's anything any member of the team can do to make your flight more enjoyable, then please don't hesitate to ask. Now that we are ready to depart, can you please all fasten your seatbelts and switch off all electronic equipment, including your mobile telephones and electronic e-books. Any of your devices that are fitted with a flight safe or aeroplane mode should have this feature enabled now before you turn it off in preparation for our departure today. Cabin crew, please arm the doors. Safety is very important to us here at Thomson Airways, ladies and gentlemen. We're just about to take you through the safety features on board our B757-200 series aircraft. I know that many of you have flown before. I must stress that every aeroplane is very different. I would ask that you put your newspapers, magazines and customer feedback questionnaires just for a few moments, and please give the cabin crew the courtesy of your attention. After all, the only reason that we do this every flight is with your safety in mind. Those of you who are also seated adjacent to an emergency exit, can you please study the exit operation on your safety card? The emergency exits are clearly marked in red throughout the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may well be located behind you, is being indicated now by the cabin crew. If you are instructed to use an escape slide, then leave all of your hand luggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes. Should you need assistance in finding the exits, then low-level lights will illuminate in the aisle as being indicated. The panel above your head contains an emergency oxygen supply. Should there be a change in the cabin pressure today, masks like this will drop down in front of you. Remain seated and pull a mask downwards, then place it over your nose and mouth with the elastic around your head. Continue to breathe normally, adjusting the straps to secure it in place. Do make sure that your own masks are fitted correctly first before you help anyone else. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and opened like this. There is a life jacket under your seat. Please do not remove a life jacket unless you are instructed to do so by a member of the crew. To fit a life jacket, place it over your head, then pass the tapes around your waist, tying them securely in a double bow on your left-hand side. The life jacket will inflate automatically when you pull down sharply on the red toggle. It may also be inflated or topped up by blowing into this tube. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. It's really important that you do not inflate a life jacket inside of the aircraft. This will only hinder your exit. Flotation equipment is available for children and infants and will be provided by the crew. There's a safety card in your seat pocket illustrating all of our emergency procedures, together with the brace position which must be adopted should the command brace, brace be given by the cabin crew. Please take time to read this now before we depart. As we make a final check of the cabin, can you ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened? Please fold away your tables, put your seatbacks upright, armrest down and open your window blinds. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any member of the crew. I thank you for your attention and wish you a very enjoyable flight home.
Dad, look in the air. We're not going yet, because there's a plane. Another plane!
You can see the beach.
It's a video on the beach.
Plane. Landing.
Huh?
clean London.
Oh, is it? Oh.